Think tools are boring? Think again. Today, we're checking out 20 genius inventions that turn difficult jobs into easy ones. From smart workshop hacks to powerful job site innovations, these tools save time, reduce effort, and might just make you wonder, why didn't I know about this sooner? Let's get started. This is Maffel's circular saw, built for serious woodworking with impressive cutting depth, precise adjustments, and smart features that make tough cuts feel effortless. Powerful, accurate, and easy to use, it's the kind of saw that makes wood wish it had chosen a different career. This is Ryobi's compact reciprocating saw, designed for fast cuts through timber, branches, roots, and building materials. With variable speed control, tool-free blade changes, and a stable pivoting shoe, it handles demolition and cutting jobs with ease while making tough materials disappear quickly. The Bosch's impact wrench, delivering up to 780 Newton-meters of tightening torque and 1,000 Newton-meters of breakaway torque for demanding fastening jobs. Its compact, lightweight design improves access in tight spaces, while the reinforced 1/2-inch anvil is built to handle heavy-duty work day after day. Packing up to 550 Newton-meters of torque, this brushless impact wrench delivers serious fastening power for construction, assembly, and automotive work. With 12 torque settings and the clever APS system preventing dropped nuts and over-tightening, it works hard so you don't have to. Combining compact design with impressive versatility, this 18-volt drill driver features a powerful 2-speed gearbox and comes complete with a 126-piece accessory kit. With a battery, fast charger, and a wide range of bits and drills included, it's ready for almost any project. This is Ryobi's Jigsaw, built for fast and precise cuts through a variety of materials. With variable speed control, a powerful 25.4mm stroke length, adjustable 45-degree bevel cutting, and tool-free blade changes, it delivers clean results while keeping your workpiece looking as good as your craftsmanship. This is Bosch's powerful Rotary Hammer, a compact cordless beast built for serious drilling and chiseling. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, versatile one-chuck system, vibration control, and smart safety features, it tackles tough jobs with ease. Whether you're on a construction site or in a workshop, this tool delivers professional-grade performance while keeping fatigue to a minimum. Built from premium galvanized steel, this heavy-duty hose reel keeps long hoses organized, tangle-free, and ready to use. The brass rotary coupling prevents twisting during winding and unwinding, while the solid construction provides exceptional stability for demanding outdoor and workshop tasks. This multi-function workbench is the ultimate workspace upgrade for makers and woodworkers. Designed for maximum efficiency and versatility, it offers a durable work surface, flexible clamping options, and rock-solid stability. From routing and sanding to assembly and project setup, it helps you work faster, smarter, and with greater precision on every project. Don't let the compact size fool you. These Mitre Saws are packed with versatility and power. Effortlessly cutting wood, aluminum, and plastic, they handle a wide range of projects with precision. Variable speed control ensures smooth performance, while shadow line guidance delivers accurate cuts every time, all without needing extra rear clearance. See deeper and work safer with the D-tect 200C. Capable of detecting common hidden objects up to 200 millimeters deep, it provides clear visual feedback, precise depth indication, and even leakage detection, helping you find what's behind the surface before you start drilling. Turn one log into 6 with this clever Güde splitting wedge. Designed for compatible Güde log splitters, it dramatically speeds up firewood processing by producing multiple ready-to-use pieces in a single pass, saving time, effort, and plenty of trips back to the woodpile. Built for serious fabrication work, this welding fixturing kit makes setup fast, secure, and hassle-free. Featuring 8 heavy-duty clamps designed for 16mm holes, it delivers rock-solid holding power for tubing, welding, and metalworking projects. Less time adjusting, more time creating, helping you achieve stronger, more accurate welds every time. Meet the Festool HKC55K, a cordless cutting machine that combines power, precision, and convenience in one compact package. With advanced safety features, an accurate guide system, and high-performance blade technology, it delivers clean, reliable cuts with ease. Whether on-site or in the workshop, this saw helps you work faster, safer, and more efficiently every day. Built for demanding cutting tasks in tight spaces, the Bosch GSA 18V24 combines a powerful brushless motor with a compact ergonomic design. Reduced vibration, bright LED lighting, and fast cutting performance make it a reliable choice for professionals working with wood, metal, and pipes. This isn't just a screwdriver, it's a smart precision tool built for modern assembly work. With accurate torque control, real-time feedback, and customizable settings, it ensures every screw is tightened perfectly. Its ergonomic design keeps users comfortable during long tasks, while wireless connectivity boosts efficiency, consistency, and productivity like never before. This cordless rebar tying tool is a game-changer for construction professionals, making repetitive tying tasks faster and easier than ever. Powered by dual brushless motors, it delivers strong, consistent ties with adjustable strength settings for different applications. Its rugged construction and ergonomic design reduce fatigue, helping crews work more efficiently and keep projects moving on busy job sites. Designed for tight space applications, this angle impact wrench delivers high torque for loosening stubborn bolts in automotive and machinery maintenance. Its slim head, ergonomic design, adjustable LED lighting, and automatic impact stop system improve access, control, comfort, and overall working efficiency. Designed for quick and convenient cleanup, this cordless blower features a versatile 2-in-1 design that easily converts between standard and handheld modes. Lightweight and easy to use, it tackles leaves, dust, grass clippings, and debris without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas-powered alternatives. Built for flattening live-edge slabs, epoxy tables, and oversized workpieces, this router sled features rigid reinforced rails for accurate, consistent results. Its adjustable height design accommodates various stock thicknesses, while optional dust collection helps maintain a cleaner and more efficient workspace. And that wraps up 20 incredible tools proving that innovation never stops. From clever problem solvers to powerful time-saving machines, these inventions are changing the way work gets done. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing tools and technology.